never heard this before.
Trapaholics.
Oh my god, bass guy. You can fuck my bitch, race guy. You swag to the maximum.
We out here, New York City, Hurricane Sandy, meteorologist MD, wearing my Blazer High SBs, some light for the crowd. We're here, we checking what happened. I just woke up and I gotta take a shit. Fucking asshole can't even park his car properly, tossing that shit like it's his mom's fucking dildo. But whatever, we out here. We gonna check out the park. I had the storm. It's raining pretty hard. I don't even know why I'm outside. My mom's gonna fucking beat me up. Shit. So as you can see, we reach a dead end because a fucking tree fell.
Swag on 100,000, 100 trillion. Oh goddamn, race guy.